1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. We're only 2 days away from April 15th, also known as Tax Day. It's a day we all dread every year. Between mountains of paperwork, complicated codes, and the fear of fines, paying taxes every year is a huge burden for hardworking Americans. In fact, U.S. taxpayers and businesses spend about 7.6 billion hours a year complying with the filing requirements of the IRS. But if you listen to the political discussion in our country very long, you will inevitably hear some lawmakers repeat one of their favorite lines, that all of our country's budget problems could be solved if only we increase taxes. Except increasing taxes increases government spending and crowds out private sector investment, diminishing our prosperity. Instead, it's past time to simplify the tax code and decrease the tax burden that Americans currently spend close to a third of the year bearing. It's vital that we enact policies that strengthen and stabilize our economy as well as give individuals and businesses long-term certainty. I yield back.
For what purpose? The gentlelady yields back. For what purpose?